Yes, what's up traders, welcome back to my channel. You already know what's good, guys. So guys, start wasting any time, let's just get into it. As you can see, guys, I'm already on weekly. So basically on this strategy, I start from weekly, then I say daily 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 minutes till I get what to 1 minute way by execute my trades. So let's just see what's happening here on weekly. So on weekly here, you can see, guys, we have been bullish here, and market suddenly just started what to consolidate. So on consolidation here, guys, so let me take my highlight to market here. It may give us something like this. It break what's that the high, but it didn't close upper that high. So that means the lower point it will be weak. So okay, yeah, I hope you understand that one. So basically, like what I'm saying here, market it closed up, it break out the high point, but it didn't close. It just break with a week. So yeah, the low point is gonna be what weak. So here we can start what to look for sales. So here we have the low point here. That's the first one we can target with sales here. So market we can just first what target this low point there. Then the last target is gonna be here. So the first target, if market came here on the what, so if market come on the low point, the first target here, it give us all the reaction again, then we continue buying. But if let's say there is nothing, then we break it, then we continue again buying. Simple, guys, because we are still bullish here. So let me another question. Why I just put that line on the first target like this one? Let me just show you. Yes, this target here. I say what this one, the first target. Why? Because here, if I can take what my rectangle tool, I put it something like this, and you can see, guys, already that here we rectangle or not on this inside bar. So for me on this strategy, all inside bars I mark them as what as a zones, may either supply or is what a demand. So market it traded there, then it failed to break. So that's why I mark what that low point, say okay, cool, this low point is gonna be what my first target. Simple, guys. So now I'm still looking what for sales. So I can do something like this. Let me just remove this one here and this one too. So here I'm gonna look for sales here up to here. With something like this. Now I need a path too if I can get it. Where is the path? Path here, Mr. Path two. It's hidden, guys. I can see. Okay, let me just use the arrow. Where is it? Here. Yes, so I'm gonna use the arrow. So here we can target what this first point here, this low point. If market reacted on that, then again we took something like this. We are breaking. Then again, I think we can. Let's say we break it, then we target the what? This low point, something like this. Then boom again. Simple, guys. Simple, guys. Yeah. You don't have to complicate things, guys. Simple, something like this, guys. I hope you understand, guys. So let me just do something like this. I close here. Yeah, sorry, something like this. I hope you can see, guys, on weekly. That's what I'm looking at weekly. So on weekly, basically, on this upcoming week, I'm just gonna look for sales. After sales, then I'll buy. Simple. So now I'm going to daily. I'm gonna switch time frame to what? To daily. So remove the drawings, then daily. Now we're on daily. So what's happening on daily, guys? So I'm gonna just analyze it real quick. And the great thing, guys, if you have a strategy, everything will be simple. You don't have to complicate things again because everything is simple, it's straightforward. Why? Because you got a strategy. Something like this. Then I'll mark here because we made out a change of character here. Look how beautiful it is, guys, this price action here. Then you can make CH, which is change of character. Wow, look, and I got liquid down here for sales again. So you can put a what? A dollar sign. Then I'll mark a what? Yeah, something like this. Look. So I'll take my rectangle tool, and here I have what? It demands on here to target for sales. Look, guys, in less than I think a minute, I just analyze what a daily chart. So on weekly, like what I said, we just what break with a week. We didn't close it. So it was not a board what a board closure. So sales that are still what they're still coming. Then on daily is telling us that we change character down. Then when we change character down, that means sales again they're coming what in power. All the bullish that going out, they're going away. So we still gonna sell. So here market here. Yeah, we did. Let me just take a where's the highlight to something like this. Yeah, only on this leg here, guys. There was no a good supply zone. So if there's no, let's say in each trend, let's say it's bullish, then there is no a good supply zone. Market it will do was that it will target the highest, the lows, because there is no a proper supply zone. So here I can mark something like this here. Yeah, I hope we can see. Sorry, something like this here. So I'm gonna take out what this highlight here. Something like this. As you can see, market here, it gives us something like this. It's sell all the way it break out. Now it's retesting. Now what it reach our high point. Whenever it reach our high point, that means we're continued selling, guys. Simple, simple, guys. Simple. As you can see here. So here we already let me put it here. We already reach out a high point. Market now it's selling. We can sell, target out the liquid. If let's say we don't want to target the liquid, we target what this demand zone here. Simple, simple guys. We don't have to complicate things. So which means on daily we are bullish, but in market it failed to break out the high point. So in that doing, whenever it let's say it failed to break out the high point, then on daily it talks to us that okay, it made change of character. So if it made change of character, literally, that means sales what? They're coming again. So now I'm gonna go to what for 4 hours. That's where the magic start. So in 4 hours, is gonna show us something else, but in it will have a direction that okay, is maybe on weekly, let's see, we had bearish, daily showing bearish for 4 hours. Let's see what it will be showing us again. So I'm gonna remove all the drawings again. Simple guys. I hope you understand. Simple, simple. Just has to follow all the time frame what they're telling you. So here, if I can take my trend, and guys, I'm speaking this fast, guys, because I come here to analyze real quick. Then I will bounce, guys. Sorry. So here, I'll mark what B. So for me, B then stands for what? For breaker structure. Then CH for change of character. So here, we have a supply zone. Look how good they are, guys. So here, I'll extend it to the right side. Then here, don't forget, you have to mark everything here, guys. Here. So here, we made a change of character, something like this. Then here, we have what? A demand zone. And this strategy, guys, is the simplest one. You just have to start it from what? From weekly to you get it to 1 minute. It will tell you everything here. Okay, so it's like this, as you can see. This one is our 4 hours, right? So basically, like what I said, on weekly, we sweep liquid on top. Then we are what? We start to sell. Then on daily, what's happening on daily? On daily, we didn't have what? A good supply zone. So basically, market just reach out the high point, like what I said. If let's say we don't have what? A good supply or a demand zone, then we'll target out the high points and the lower points. So market it reach already what to the higher point, then it's reaction, it's what it's reacting, right? Then on 4 hours, as you can see, market it change character to what to bullish. On bullish, it goes, then it tapered a supply zone, then it reacts. So after 4 hours, I'm going to what to 15 minutes. Then it reacted or not on that supply zone. On that supply zone, it gives us what it just sweep again liquid on top, then it's reacting. Now we are sitting on what on a demand zone. On this demand zone, so listen to this one. This demand zone, guys, is going to work as a decider point. What do I mean by decider point? So by the decider point, guys, that means whatever comes or not on this demand zone, that's what is going to happen. You understand? I hope you understand, guys. So let me just do something like this. Can't see my path. Where's my path to, guys? Where are you? Where are you hiding? Now I can't find you here. What? That path, guys, it's hiding somewhere, guys. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. I got you, man. Yeah, so as you can see here, so I was saying like this demand zone, I mean, is going to be what our decider point. Whatever comes on this demand zone, that's what we're going to take. So here on 15 minutes, we'll be looking for something like this here. Boom, boom, boom. Then it break what this high point, it react, then what it goes up. You understand? Or else on market, it will now we are sitting on this demand zone. It will break out this demand zone, then retest, then boom, we target out the lower point. Simple, guys. So let me just take a rectangle two, something like this. Then again, I take a rectangle two, something like this. You understand, guys? So if let's say now we are sitting on 4 hours. So I'm gonna go on again on 15 minutes, and those two patterns I showed you, the one that I'm going to look at on 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, that means if let's say it break this 4 hours demand zone, it's a continuation. We are continuing selling, but if we see that pattern whereby market it just change the character, then boom, we start to look out for bullish. So here, but in 90%, guys, I'm still gonna look for sales. Why? Because if let's say I take you back to weekly, on weekly we sweep liquid on top, then daily we're rating out on high point, then on 4 hours here we are rating out on supply zone. So basically you can see, guys, that okay, weekly, daily, 4 hours is the same thing. The bullish they're going to be what to be weak, but in you never know, guys. But in 9%, then the bulls they're still weak on this one, on this case here. So I'm just gonna sweep to what change. I mean to what to flip the time frame to what to 50 minutes. Then I can look for that pattern, guys. Simple. Look these two patterns there, guys. So I'm gonna just take them out. So let me just do like this. I took this pattern there. So I'm gonna go to what to 15 minutes and look at for those patterns, two patterns only. Either change character or a what? Or it's a continuation, guys. So yeah. So I'm gonna test this thing here and this thing here. Boom. Yeah, as you can see, we are bearish here. So here I'm gonna start to mark. Then here it's a what? Then here it's a change character. So CH. So I already tell you guys that CH is what? Is change of character. Yeah, change CH right. Then we are cool here. Then here I have a supply zone. Simple, guys. Each and every time, whenever I come to my PC, I do the same thing. Analyze first. Then here, do we have what? Wow. And here, guys, we already and we are having a what? Because here we made a simple chain character, as you can see. Oh, sorry, that was a B, means break structure. Simple. Then here I can do something like this, as you can see here. We already reacted, guys. Look how beautiful it is, guys. And if you have a strategy, guys, everything it will start to fall in place, guys. So here I can mark again with what a good supply zone here, because we made a break structure down, and I'm gonna mark it so that we can see. Then here I'll just mark P. P means break structure. Yeah, that's where we are standing, guys, and we already take out this low point here. This low point here. So I'm gonna mark it like this, so that you can see. So yeah, H4. For me, H4, it means what? So let me just put it on the mid right side. So center. Yeah, H4. It means what? 4 hours. I mean, yeah, 4 hours, guys. So yeah, H4 again. Yeah. So here is 15 minutes now. This supply zone M15. That means 15 minutes. Then again M15. Sorry. So by M15, that means it's a zone for what? for 15 minutes. Then the one that I say H4. So here it's what? M15 again. For H4, guys, it's what? It's for 4 hours. Yeah, like I said, those zones for H4 is the 4 hour zones. Then the M15, they're for 15 minutes. So as you can see here, guys, all right, let me take you way back. Oh, here we have another good supply zone. Wow, guys, look how it is. This price action, guys, is too good. But in next week, guys, you have to be careful because we have a lot of news coming. CPI, I think NFP is going to be only 1 week. So be careful, guys. Make sure your SL is in position. So like what I was saying, guys, on weekly, let me take you weekly. On weekly, we're what? We are bullish, but then we couldn't break the high point. We just sweep liquid. That means the low point is gonna be what? Weak. Okay, cool. Now we're going to daily. On daily again, on daily, we didn't have a good supply zone. So market it retest almost your high point. So if you don't have a supply zone or a demand, and we are on a trend. That means we target what highs and lows. So we already get what to the high point on daily. Then market it couldn't break it. So now you can see that it's reacting. Then on H4, which is 4 hours. On 4 hours, if I take it to 4 hours here, as you can see, we get what to the supply zone. That supply zone, it was too powerful. We couldn't break it. Then market it reacted. Then okay, we go out to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, what happens on 15? On 15 minutes, we take that 4 hours supply zone. Then we made what a change of character. By making that change of character, market started what to go down to change trend what from bullish to bearish. Then here, that's where we are sitting on what on 15 minutes. So now on 15 minutes, what will I do? On 15 minutes now, that time frame, I will mark my zones in supplies, either maybe demand or supply, then I'll mark everything. Then I'll like exactly like what it is, guys, like this here. Yeah. So this one is a what 4 hours demand zone where we are reacting now, but we couldn't manage what to break the high point. So market it reacted on what on 15 minutes supply. You understand? So it created on 15 minutes supply, then it's reacting. That means this zone here is gonna be weak no matter what. This zone here, I just put an X. It's gonna be weak, and you can see exactly what's happening here, guys. It's gonna be weak. So here what am I targeting? So for me, now I'll wait for market to what to get what to this supply zone. Once you get to this supply zone, then I will continue what to sell. Simple, guys. So how am I gonna enter? That's the question most people. Then the 50 minutes, okay. So I take you from what? From weekly, then I say daily, 4 hours. Now we're on 50 minutes. So 5 minutes, it's whereby I will refine my zones. You see, all those zones I mark, I'll switch what to 50 minutes, then I'll start to refine them so that they can be smaller. And I say something like this. Let me just take you because it's two-way big here. You can see here. But in here, we don't have what a good demand, a good supply zone. So there's no a good supply zone. Market it can either maybe sweep, get maybe to what to this supply zone, yeah, to this high point. They give us something like sweep, yeah, it can sweep, then it will continue to sell. Simple, because here we have a small supply zone here on top here. So let me just make it something like this. But then it's on what on 15 minutes. But then yeah, market will just sweep. It won't close. It won't close on top of that zone. It just sweep liquid, then it's continue to sell. Simple, guys. Don't have the rule number one, don't have to complicate your strategy, guys. Just know your strategy that okay, I'm gonna do this and this and so here how do I enter the trade? So whenever I mark, so let's say I get my PC, I analyze, I will just leave it on 15 minutes like this. Then I'll wait for market to get what to my point of interest, which is what my POI. So if market get to that to these places, guys, on 1 minute, same simple again, same things over and over. On 1 minute, so I'm gonna take out this one. So let me take out this one. On 1 minute, I'll wait for something like this. Boom, 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 boom. Tape out the 50 minutes. Then yeah, it made out a change of character right into a good supply zone. Then boom. You understand, guys? Simple. Then I'm good. Simple, something like this here. That's like what I'll be just waiting for, guys. Then here, I'll put my SOA, something like this. Yeah. Then the SL is gonna be what? Here on top a little bit. You understand? Then I'll target maybe yeah, I'll be just looking hot for a good demand zone to target. Simple, something like this there. And yeah, my rule, if let's say I'm entering a 10, it must be 1:2, guys. Nothing, anything that is maybe less than 1:2, I don't take. I'll just leave that trade, then I'll go look for another trade again. And per day, I can take only 1 to 2 trades, then I'm done for the day. So that's what I'm looking for, guys, or not on EURUSD, guys. Then I hope, guys, you can just check, then compare with the strategy, or you can take this strategy and implement in yours. Then you can do anything, guys. Then everything is for free, guys. So see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.